brought several of my gadgets, but who cares? I like taking pictures and filming video, obviously. It's me once again. Practicing my voice, as you can tell. It's fun. This video's not gonna make much sense. This video's not gonna make a whole lot of sense. Basically the end of the path, I decided to check this place out. It would make it nice. It's a logging museum. Kind of something different for my vlog. And I'll probably be taking more photos. I'm just inspired to record and take pics. So far, today has been a busy day. I had to get up early so I can leave and go camping. And when I got here, went on a nice trail that's right next to a really pretty creek. So yeah, I can't wait until I go to bed. But maybe I should tell you a ghost story. Or maybe not, I'm not in the mood. Maybe tomorrow or something. Anyways, if this blog bores you, it's your fault for clicking on my videos. Yes, it's your fault for watching it.